options. Press 0.
What are you talking about?
So what do you think about the new Yeezys 700 Mauve or Mauve? I don't know how you call them. Let me tell you my thoughts on this. There are good quality materials used in for making them. I found some imperfections on the sole. In terms of comfort, there are many Adidas models that beats the comfort of these ones. I don't feel like it's an attractive color or an attractive sneaker. What else? It's not so light. I thought that it will be lighter than these ones, or at least the same weight. I don't feel like they worth $300. If you are in the market on buying a $300 sneakers, look around. Adidas have many models more beautiful than this one and more comfortable and way cheaper if you are looking for the boosts. There is also a rumor right now that Adidas will lose the Boost contract, and the Boost contract will go to Puma, which Puma is the competitor, was the same brand at the beginning, the Dassler brothers. You know the story. Dassler brothers after the Second War, they were divided or split, and they become from Adidas Dassler shoe factory, Adidas and Puma. These are my thoughts about the Adidas Yeezy 700 Mauve. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and if you like this particular colorway. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good one.